Hey there, Good Friday morning, June 13th, 2025. By faith. Heb 11:1. Now faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. Heb 11:2. For by it the elders obtained a good report. Heb 11:3. Through faith we understand that the worlds were framed by the word of God, so that things which are seen were not made of things which do appear. Heb 11:4. By faith Abel offered unto God a more excellent sacrifice than Cain, by which he obtained witness that he was righteous, God testifying of his gifts, and by it he being dead yet speaketh. Heb 11:5. By faith Enoch was translated, that he should not see death, and was not found, because God had translated him, for before his translation he had this testimony. Heb 11:6. But without faith it is impossible to please him, for he that cometh to God must believe that he is, and that he is a rewarder of them that diligently seek him.